유전회사에서 일하는 남자. 그의 이름은 도슨. 일해서 번 돈을 누군가에게 묻히고 무엇인가 생각에 잠기는데 그때 유전 폭발로 사고가 발생하고 환영과 함께 병상에서 눈을 뜨게 되죠.
It's a miracle that you're alive, Mr. Cole.
가족과 함께 단란하게 살아가는 아만다.
What?
사랑스러운 아들의 생일 파티로 즐겁게 하루를 보내던 중 전화 한 통을 받고
The estate attorney for Tuck Hotstedler.
깜짝 놀라는 그녀. 도슨도 같은 남자에게 전화를 받는데 턱이 사망했다는 소식을 전해 듣게 되죠.
Look, I'm sorry about your friend. I really, you've got stuff going on. I got to be at Tulane on Saturday for the Sigma Nu thing. Monday night, we've got the.
바쁘다는 핑계로 아내 혼자 보내는 남편. 그녀는 서운함을 내심 감추지 못하고 턱의 죽음을 슬퍼하는데 시골 한적한 마을 인적이 끊긴 창고에 방문한 도슨. 잠시 후 아만다 또한 턱의 사망 소식을 듣고 이곳을 찾는데요.
Amanda?
Hi.
그 둘은 서로를 잘 알고 있다는 듯
How did you find out?
I got a call from a lawyer. Something in Tuck's will.
Me too.
You look amazing.
그러나 서로 어색해하며 여자는 서둘러 자리를 나서려 하는데
Good to see you.
Oh, well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, the lawyer.
Okay.
과연 그들에게는 무슨 일이 있었던 것일까요? 1992년 가을, 도슨의 고등학교 시절 사촌 바비와 함께 그의 여자친구 에이프릴이 일하는 식당에 방문한 도슨.
She's so pretty. Sure is.
그는 우연히 이곳에서 한 여자를 보게 되는데 시동이 걸리지 않아 당황해하는 에이프릴. 뒤에서는 경적을 울리며 이들을 당황케 하는데 그들의 행동이 창피했는지 자리를 뜨는 아만다.
Over to the right, April.
이내 도슨을 도와주며 친구들의 바보 같은 행동을 사과하죠.
I'm sorry about my friends. They try to be funny, but only succeed at being idiots.
Amanda, let's go.
Okay.
It's all right. You don't have to wait around. Thanks for your help.
Wasting your time. But you are a jackass. Did you not?
그녀의 마음을 몰라주는 도슨.
Start her up. Should be fine now.
Thanks, Josh.
Go on. That's all right.
다음 날 그는 시동이 안 걸려 곤란해하는 아만다를 다시 보는데 그녀를 도와주고
Turn the key and nothing happens. Karmic payback for being party to the honkin'?
I think the universe dispenses swift justice.
Oh, he speaks.
Battery got disconnected.
It's not major, it happens.
Are you actually about to say something else?
My cousin thinks you're trying to talk to me the other day.
I was.
소극적인 남자와는 다르게 적극적인 여자.
You don't know how to flirt, do you?
I guess not.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
멍석을 깔아줘도 더 이상 나아가기 힘들고
This isn't working. Okay, I'll tell you what.
결국 여자가 먼저 손을 내밀죠.
Meet me at Squeals Saturday night at 6.
Yeah.
Figure out how to flirt with me by then.
그녀가 싫지 않은 듯 환한 미소는 끝이 없고 그렇게 집에 돌아오는데 성실한 도슨과는 다르게 그의 아버지와 형제들은 불법과 폭력을 일삼는 마을의 건달이었죠.
We got a delivery upriver tomorrow night.
I got something to do.
You didn't listen to a goddamn thing I said, did you? You still got someplace to be Saturday night?
Yes, sir.
Hit him again, Papa.
Shut the hell up.
You hit me, you see where that'll get you.
That's what you.
아버지의 폭력을 더 이상 참지 못하고 집을 나와 비를 피해 비어있는 듯한 창고에 몰래 하룻밤을 지내기로 하죠. 다음 날 인기척에 눈을 뜬 도슨. 그의 이름은 턱.
Well, you have a story to tell. What's your name?
Dawson Cole.
Tommy Cole's boy.
Yes, sir.
You got any place to stay? Friends, anything like that?
No, sir.
That cot over yonder ought to be more comfortable than this car.
그는 도슨의 상황을 딱히 여겨 이곳 자신의 정비소에 머물 수 있게끔 도움을 주게 되죠. 한편 도슨을 기다리는 아만다. 그가 오지 않자 직접 그를 찾아 나서는데
Where is he? You know, I just wanted a date. And maybe have some coffee. And if we just so happen to like the answer, Dawson, then maybe we'll go on another one. And if we don't, then we won't.
I decided not to come.
That's crazy.
약속이라고는 전혀 신경 쓰지 않는 남자에게 화가 나 있었고
Forget it. I'm exhausted. I'm done.
답답한 그녀도 더 이상 참지 못하고
This is why I didn't want to go out in public.
그렇지만 얼굴에 난 상처를 보고
Well, then take me somewhere private.
그를 이해하게 되죠. 그렇게 그 둘은 서로에 대해 하나둘씩 알아가게 되고
Like to work for a non-profit. Maybe in another country that deals with children's issues. You were gone for a while.
Yeah, my dad made me quit school when I was 16. It was a hell of a fight to come back.
Is it weird to be there now?
유복하게 자라온 자신과는 다르게 남자의 불안한 가정사를 알게 되죠.
You're a bad liar. I like that.
I'd like to do this again sometime. I'd even shower and show up.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
그렇게 달콤한 시간을 보내고 서로에 대한 마음을 확인하게 되죠.
I wouldn't mind doing that again.
Then do it.
Now, the first thing that
턱의 변호사와 만난 아만다와 도슨.
he asks that I pass on his gratitude, your friendship always. He would like you to spread his ashes together.
그에게서 턱의 유언을 들으며
The only asset not to be sold is the cottage at which he left to you both.
살아생전 자신들에게 남긴 턱의 편지를 건네받게 되죠.
You to read them on your own.
그리고 자리를 나서는데
So you got married.
여자에게 관심을 보이는 남자.
Have to do this.
과거 서로 연인 사이였지만 세월이 흘러 20년 만에 다시 만나니 어색함이 흐르고 남자와는 다르게 여자는 그를 경계하며 성급히 자리를 떠납니다.
I'm sorry.
그렇게 집에 돌아와 턱이 남긴 편지를 읽는 아만다.
While I was digging, I got to thinking about you and Dawson. You have wounds that have never healed. You've lived with them so long you don't even know they're there anymore. Pain has deep roots. Dig it out is to forgive him.
그리고 과거 회상에 잠기는데 서로의 마음을 확인한 후 연인 사이로 발전하게 된 두 사람.
I'm the grease monster from the bayou.
집을 나온 자신을 잡으러 가족들이 찾아오고
Please leave.
그들을 본 도스는 성급히 그녀를 돌려보내고 이 상황을 도무지 이해 못하는 여자.
You didn't introduce us to your girlfriend.
그의 아버지는 도슨을 데려가려 하지만
All right, get your stuff.
그가 거절하자 또다시 폭력을 휘두르고
You thinking that you're special? Thing to do with white trash piece of shit like you.
이때
Touch him again.
이 상황을 지켜보고 있던 턱.
Now I come here for my boy, and I ain't leaving without him.
All right. You want me to keep going?
무력으로 그들을 쫓아보내죠. 그날 저녁 아만다를 찾은 도슨.
Well, come in.
That's not a good idea.
Okay.
Wait, what are you doing?
Well, I mean, if you're not going to come in.
낮에 있었던 상황을 설명하며 다시 그녀의 마음을 확인하는데
Care. I don't care.
너무나도 다른 환경의 두 사람은 서로에게 미쳐있을 만큼 사랑에 빠졌다는 공통점이 있었죠. 사촌 바비의 아들을 우연히 보게 된 도슨.
You work here? You look a lot like an old friend of mine. You know him? Bobby Cole.
그리고 자신의 형제들과도 마주하게 되는데
Prodigal son return.
20년 만의 만남이지만 아직도 어렸을 때 앙금이 남아있는 듯 그들을 외면하고 서둘러 자리를 피합니다.
It's Dawson Cole.
그리고 턱의 유품을 정리하러 그의 집을 향하는데 그곳에서 아만다를 다시 보게 되고
Thought maybe you need a hand.
Okay.
Is there something you want to say?
어렸을 적 자신과 헤어진 이후의 삶에 대해 듣게 되죠.
Went to Tulane, as planned. Got pregnant sophomore year, not planned. Got married, moved to Baton Rouge, bought a house, had another baby, did some volunteer work, bought a bigger house. I had so many plans. I don't know what happened. Am I happy? Being a mother makes me happy. Look what I found.
그리고 그녀는 가족과 함께 찍은 사진을 턱의 집에서 발견하고 다시금 회상에 잠깁니다. 돛은 그리고 턱과 함께하는 시간이 부쩍 많아진 아만다.
I hope you like them. Do you have an onion?
어느새 그들은 일상을 함께하면서 사랑을 점점 키워나가게 되죠.
People together that fall in love. That's destiny.
Destiny?
Absolutely impossible. Why can't you just agree with anything that I have to say, Dawson? Why?
Dawson?
점점 시간이 지나자 마음을 열고 자신의 이야기를 꺼내는 아만다.
4 years after Jared was born, Frank and I had another child. Tuck loved her. She was diagnosed with leukemia a few weeks after that picture was taken. She just turned 2. And I remember that day. You know, it was just a day. And you want so much to go back to just a not so special day like that, you know. But you never can. We both started drinking too much. I quit, he never did.
I wish I'd have been there for you.
That didn't happen.
요리를 하는 그의 모습에 과거 친근했던 모습을 떠올리며 자기 자신을 돌이켜보게 되죠.
Girl who just wouldn't let me settle.
I haven't seen much of her lately. So.
Yeah, but there she is. To her.
Does it ever get lonely out there?
I mean, are you asking me if I'm single?
그러나 남자는 아직 여자에게 마음이 남아있는 듯
You ever been in love?
With you?
That was 20 years ago.
21. I don't even say you set a high bar.
I mean, honest to God.
I miss this. I miss.
여자는 묘한 분위기를 직감하고 서둘러 자리를 나서는데
This is dangerous. We've had wine, gotten better looking, which is so annoying.
You know, I have a confession to make. It wasn't destiny. When my car broke down at school, I disconnected the battery myself so you could save me.
I know.
Ooh.
I know. I knew the minute I saw your battery line yanked out.
결국 그 둘은 지난날 숨겨왔던 서로의 마음을 확인하게 되죠.
Gotta go to Vandermeer. Tuck's been.
턱 아저씨의 부탁으로 정원을 가꾸러 가는 남자.
You go take care of Tuck's garden.
한동안 그녀와 떨어져 있어야 한다는 그리움에 작별 인사를 하고
I love you.
그렇게 하루를 보내는데 순간 인기척을 느끼고
I told you I couldn't wait. Well,
그렇게 그들은 처음으로 사랑을 나누기 시작하죠. 그리고 하룻밤 사이에 더욱 달콤해진 두 사람.
Do not believe it. You can never be so.
그렇게 시간이 지나고 어느 날 아만다의 파티에 초대된 돛은 그녀의 부모님과 인사를 나누고 대화를 이어나가지만
Say, have you given any thought to how you'll pay for college? I'd like to help you, if you'll let me.
Well, how's that, sir?
$15,000 a year for tuition. Another $5,000 to...
그의 말에 화가 단단히 난 돛은
Just stay away from Amanda, right?
And I can't have her anywhere near your family.
I don't want your money.
What's that?
I don't want your money.
You think about it. You think about it.
서둘러 이곳을 떠나고 뒤늦게 이 사실을 알고 찾아온 아만다. 상처 입었을 그를 위로하며
You got a big life ahead of you. You're gonna do great things.
Dawson, what would you risk for me?
Everything.
And let me love you like that.
다시 서로에 대한 굳건한 사랑을 확인하게 되죠.
How much did he offer?
Well, I mean, if he was gonna throw in that cobra, I'd have to think about it.
So mean.
함께하는 시간이 길어질수록 이 둘은 이전의 감정이 되살아나며 점점 더 마음을 열게 되는데 턱에 유골을 뿌리러 그가 살던 곳으로 동행하고
When are you going home?
Tomorrow.
Last time I was out, there was this explosion.
You were on it?
Yeah, I fell 100 feet into the water. I saw you.
내일이면 떠나는 그녀를 더 이상 볼 수 없다는 상실감에 솔직한 마음을 표현하는데
What are you gonna do, Amanda?
What do you mean?
You know what this feels like to me? That's what it feels like to me. I'm trying to get my head around it since it all happened. Why the hell am I still here? Chance to see you again and tell you how much I still love you.
You want me to fall back in love with you? How do I do that if I haven't ever stopped?
Doc? Yeah.
바비가 결혼하고 그를 축하하는 도슨. 그들을 배웅하러 나서자 곧 도슨의 가족들이 들이닥치고 턱을 폭행하며 그가 소중히 여기는 정원을 망가뜨리죠.
There it goes! You and your wife, Planto. You get a good look. Get a good look.
이때 장미꽃을 놓고 온 도슨이 다시 돌아오는데
Stop it, April. Stop. Get out, get out. Tuck!
부상당한 턱과 엉망이 된 정원을 보게 되자 분노를 참지 못하고 총기를 가지고 집으로 향합니다.
What are you gonna do?
Dawson, don't do this!
Just talk to me.
Just give him the gun,
Get out of the truck, Bobby.
Bobby!
Stay with Tuck. Cool down. Cool down. Hope you can come back. Stay back, Bobby.
아버지와 마주한 도슨.
Look at you, y'all dressed to kill. Is that what you are? You a killer now? Why don't you go on and do it now? Put down the gun, Dawson. Oh, he will. He ain't nothing.
몸싸움이 벌어지고
Hell no. Get up! I didn't see that coming.
말리기는커녕 싸움을 부추기는 형제들.
Dawson, that's enough. You're gonna kill him. Dawson. Dawson, look out!
그때 이 과정에서 그만 총기 사고로 바비가 사망하게 되죠. 죄책감으로 괴로워하는 도슨.
Look at me, son. The DA doesn't want you.
그리고 그를 설득하는 턱.
He wants Tommy. Yeah, you showed up there with a loaded gun, and you're gonna have to do some time. You have a life to live, and you're gonna fight back, and you're gonna keep fighting back. You're a good boy, and you're my boy.
결국 가족의 범죄를 폭로하고 그들 또한 재판을 받게 되죠.
Do you see any of those individuals present in a courtroom at this time?
I do.
Point out Tommy Cole at this time, please.
You just let me know if I need to bring anything else for you and I'll bring it.
그렇지만
Can't be it next time.
아만다를 외면하는 도슨.
Got 8 years.
그녀의 미래를 위하는 마음으로 결심을 하는데
If this was the last time you're gonna see me,
You don't get to make that choice.
God say I love you.
Please don't do this, please. I love you. Wait, Dawson! 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 Dawson!
이 순간이 그 둘의 마지막이 되었고 20년이 지난 지금 턱의 사망으로 다시 조우하게 된 것이었죠.
And you didn't want to see me?
That's the only thing I did want, and I wanted to save you from some of the pain.
You didn't save me from anything. I've lived with the pain every day of my life, Dawson, and I blame you. I blame you for thinking you knew what was best for me when it was you that was best for me. I wanted you and I cried because I would have chosen you no matter what, and you took that away from me.
I hurt you.
But see, I still love you.
시간이 지나서야 서로에 대한 마음을 알게 된 두 사람. 결국 그들은 서로 사랑을 나누고 이곳에서 마지막 날을 함께 하는데
You're a good man, Dawson.
That shirt looks a lot better on you.
Hi, Jared. Yeah, I'm doing okay. All right, I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.
그녀에게는 가족이 있었기에 그 둘은 각자의 생활로 돌아가게 되죠.
These past few days have been so good. To love you again.
I don't know how I'm gonna say goodbye to you.
I'll always be here. And I'll always love you.
그렇게 집에 돌아온 아만다.
Did.
그러나 남편은 항상 자신에 대해 무관심이었고
Cheers.
What the hell are you doing out there, man? I saw you hacking away like it was a. You're busted.
외로움을 이기지 못하고 흐느끼는 그녀. 다음 날 도스는 에이프릴과 만나는데
We've been getting the money.
그는 자신의 실수로 바비가 사망했다는 죄책감에 그동안 그녀에게 몰래 생활비를 지원해주고 있었죠.
Lives in my head, you know.
And now it's Aaron.
그리고 그녀에게서 아들 에런에 대한 소식을 듣고 그를 데리러 가는데
So he's been hanging around out there?
Oh, all the time.
What are you doing here? I want you to come with me.
Why the hell would I do that?
Dawson.
그곳에서 자신의 아버지와 마주하게 되죠.
And I'm not gonna let you ruin another person's life like you tried to ruin mine. I'm taking the boy. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. Who doesn't want to go back to prison?
Amanda!
Yes.
Did you see my golf glove?
Can I talk to you?
Come on, Amanda, I'm 20 minutes.
한편 아만다는 무의미한 결혼 생활에 더 이상 자신의 감정을 숨기지 못했고
This weekend, someone I fell in love with a long time ago. Dawson.
Cole?
Yes. I'm still in love with him.
Crazy.
남편에게 솔직히 말하지만
I've lied to you and I've lied to myself and I've tried to make it work. We both have.
Drinking? Is that what you want?
이 또한 그와의 갈등에서 어떠한 해결책이 되어주지 못했고
Listen to yourself. Look, this is my life too. You don't just get to choose.
And I am done pretending.
Okay, good.
도슨에게 메시지를 남기게 되죠.
Hi, it's me. It's Amanda. A lot of things have changed since I last saw you. And I wanted to say I love you. I do, Dawson. Call me if you have a moment.
그날 저녁
Hello?
아들의 사고 소식을 듣고 급히 병원으로 향하는 아만다.
What happened?
His car hit a tree and he was thrown from the vehicle.
Oh my God.
It means one of the.
위급한 상황을 인지하는데
He needs a transplant, and very soon.
이 시간 턱의 장례를 마치고 집으로 돌아가는 도슨. 낯선 차량의 위협을 받고 아만다의 메시지를 보고 확인하는 순간 가족의 공격을 받는 도슨. 위협으로부터 벗어나고
What's going on? What happened?
They're prepping him for surgery. They found a heart. Amanda.
아들도 심장을 이식받아 수술도 성공적으로 마치게 되는데
Mom, I hope overslept. I gotta get back to the hospital. Jared will want to see you.
Amanda.
Yeah, Ted and Navy, both down. All right, thanks, Sheriff. You got it.
방심한 사이 도스는 아버지의 총격을 받고 그렇게 사망하게 되죠. 도슨을 떠나보내고 그렇게 시간이 흐르고 어렸을 적 그와 함께 꿈꿔왔던 아이들을 위한 단체에서 일을 시작하게 된 아만다. 그리고 수술 후 건강을 되찾은 아들의 전화를 받게 되는데
No, I'm actually calling because there's something that I want you to know. You remember how Dr. Charbonneau told me that if I waited a year, I could file a request to find out who donated my heart?
Yeah, did you decide to go ahead with it?
I got the information yesterday. Get this, he was actually from St. Olivia, so I thought that maybe you knew him. Dawson Cole. Mom, you there?
Yes. I knew Dawson.
그녀는 도슨이 사라진 전 자신에게 남긴 편지를 읽어가며 이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Dear Amanda, when I was young, I looked for a shape to things. A reason or a design. So much of what happened to me, though, felt like an accident. So I guess I lost faith in all of that. When I survived my fall, I began to wonder if there wasn't some purpose to my life. Maybe I was on a destined path, even if I couldn't see it yet. When I saw you again, I believed we'd been given a second chance. That the universe had decided to give us that. You have commitments, I understand, and you want to keep them. I can only love you more for that. I hope to see you again someday. But if I don't, just know that these last days have been the best of my life. I love who I am when I'm with you, Amanda. You are my dearest friend, my deepest love. You are the very best of me. Forever. Dawson.
재밌게 보셨다면 좋아요와 구독 그리고 댓글 부탁드리며 모두를 즐거운 하루 보내세요. 감사합니다.